So let's talk about driving practice after you pass your driving test. And I know what you're thinking. I've passed my driving test. I've spent £1,000 or whatever you spent on your driving lessons to pass that driving test. Why bother having it? Why bother practicing? And the answer is simple. If you don't practice what you've been doing, which we've been learning for the last X amount of months, then you're going to get out of practice and you're going to get rusty and you're going to get worried. And there's going to be already after you pass your driving test, even if you're confident, there's going to be areas that you're thinking, I don't want to do that. Not yet, I'm a bit worried. So what you could do is make a little list, a little bucket list of things you want to do in the next 12 to 24 months while you're driving around in your car. And I don't mean rushing and let's start ticking them all off, but what you want to say to yourself is, at some point, go on a motorway. You know, if you have to, have a lesson with an instructor, or go on with a motorway with someone who's an experienced driver who can sit next to you for the first time and give you some guidance about what you should be doing. That's a good tip, isn't it? Or an easy one, if you've been driving on lessons, say at 10 in the morning, it's fairly quiet that time in the morning, then the thought of having to drive on your own at 5:30 at night in rush hour is going to be quite scary. So you build up to that. You don't just say, I've got my car tomorrow and next day I'm going to be in rush hour, because that's just going to put pressure on you straight away, isn't it? So by all means, enjoy driving your car, get used to driving the car, it's going to be completely different, but give yourself things to do. Don't just say, right, I'm going to drive to the local shop and drive home all the time. Start giving yourself a little list. I want to drive to the shop, but when I park in the car park, first I'll park away from everyone. I'm going to park a bit further away, a lot more space. I can drive into a space and it's easier. I can do that easier. But next time, I'm going to maybe reverse into a space. I'm going to practice doing that. It doesn't matter if it goes wrong, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the 45-degree method of reversing in. If I'm not sure what that is, I'll put a link at the top and in the description below, so you can watch that what that is as well. That's slightly different than the parallel to end of bays and reversing in freed lines. So that's something you can learn. And when you get confident of parking in a parking space that's further enough away, you can get closer and closer to the point where all the cars are, so you start reversing or driving into spaces where cars are next to you, because that is quite scary doing it on your own. So have a little bucket list. So it's parking spaces, maybe do a parallel park on a high street. That's going to be scary for you, so lead up to that one. Do a parallel park on a quiet street first, get used to your car. So these are the things you could do. And I'm just saying a couple of things at the moment. You could do a Pass Plus course with a local instructor. They'll take you on the motorway. They'll give you some advanced lessons to help you improve. And also, you could do a year or two down the line, is do some advanced motorist lessons, Institute of Advanced Motorists. That'll be something new for you to do. So don't just leave it at like, I passed my driving test, I'm going to forget what I've learned for the last 6 months, because all you're going to do at that point then is become a bad driver. So keep pushing yourself to learn, improve, because like I say, this is the next 30, 40, 50 years of your driving. So keep improving, and then you'll be fine. If you do make a mistake, by the way, I thought I'd just change something completely. If you make a mistake while you're driving and someone horns you, gives you the horn, or you suddenly, what happened then? Think about it afterwards. Think about, right, what can I do next time to improve that? So you're improving yourself all the time. Okay? Good luck on them roads. I hope this video helps you. Take care. And I'll put a link below as well on reversing into a bay using a 45-degree angle, like I said. Take care. Safe driving.